Effective fixed asset management can reduce capital expenses by up to 30%, yet many organizations struggle with accurate accounting and efficient management of fixed assets. Many businesses face challenges in properly recording, depreciating, and managing their fixed assets. This can lead to inaccurate financial statements, tax compliance issues, and inefficient use of capital resources. At an individual level, accounting professionals may feel uncertain about complex fixed asset accounting rules and best practices in asset management. Teams may lack a unified approach to tracking and maintaining fixed assets across the organization. This course provides comprehensive training in fixed assets accounting and management techniques. It equips participants with the knowledge and skills to accurately account for fixed assets and implement effective asset management strategies. Participants will learn about fixed asset recognition, valuation, depreciation methods, and impairment testing. They'll also develop skills in using fixed asset management software, conducting physical asset inventories, and optimizing capital expenditure decisions. For organizations, the impact is substantial. They'll see improved accuracy in financial reporting, better compliance with accounting standards and tax regulations, and more efficient use of capital assets. This leads to better financial planning, reduced audit risks, and increased return on asset investments. On a personal level, participants will gain specialized skills that are valuable in accounting and finance roles. Teams will benefit from a more structured approach to fixed asset management, fostering better collaboration between finance, operations, and asset management functions. Ready to become an expert in fixed assets accounting and management? Don't miss this opportunity to master this critical aspect of financial operations. Enroll now and learn to optimize your organization's approach to fixed assets for better financial performance and operational efficiency.